This is the back of the memory card. This is the front of the memory card. Open the cover. Insert the front of the memory card into the card slot. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. After receiving the recorder, connect the cameras, GPS and USB test cable to the corresponding connection ports of the main unit. Tighten all interfaces. Then use the USB test cable to check if the recorder's function is normal. Use a charger or power bank applicable voltage to 4A for power supply during testing. After hearing the startup prompt sound, assembly can be carried out. Insert the piece into the screw. Align the bracket with the bracket hole on the host. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. Use adhesive tape to stick it in the appropriate position on the motorcycle. Just pass the strap through the remote control and stick it together. Insert the piece into the screw. Install the bracket onto the camera. Insert the base into the circular bracket. Insert the screw and tighten it with a wrench. The bracket can adjust the angle. You can adjust it to the appropriate angle as needed and then tighten the screw. After installing the camera bracket, you can attach it to the appropriate position on the motorcycle with adhesive tape. It can also be directly installed on the motorcycle using screws.